Ambient music is often praised as healing, yet for many seniors, it quietly does nothing at all. The real impact depends less on the music itself and more on how your nervous system receives it. When used the wrong way, it becomes background noise instead of a health tool. For many seniors, ambient music only works when the body understands the signal it's receiving. Without that, it fades into noise instead of creating rest. You're here because you've heard that ambient music can be calming, healing, and good for your health. Maybe you've tried playing it while resting, sleeping, or helping a loved one relax. And maybe you notice that sometimes it helps, and other times it doesn't seem to do much at all. I've spent years working closely with seniors and caregivers studying how simple, everyday things like sound, light, food timing, and daily rhythm affect the nervous system as we age. And one thing has become very clear over time. Ambient music isn't a cure, it's a signal. And whether it helps or not depends on how the body receives that signal. Most videos talk about ambient music as if it works the same for everyone. This one is different. Today, you'll discover what ambient music really is, what it does inside the body, when it helps, when it doesn't, and how seniors can use it safely and effectively. There's one key insight, often missed, that explains why some people feel calmer instantly while others feel nothing at all. We'll come back to that shortly. Many seniors live with a quiet kind of tension. Nothing dramatic is happening, but the body never fully settles. Sleep feels lighter than it used to. The mind stays active even when the day is over. Caregivers often notice that their loved one seems restless, easily startled by noise, or overwhelmed by too much stimulation. So ambient music feels like a gentle solution. It's natural, it's safe, it doesn't involve medication. You press play and expect the body to relax. But then something confusing happens. The music plays, yet the tension remains, or the mind becomes more alert, listening instead of resting. At night, the sound is there, but sleep doesn't deepen. This is where many people begin to doubt themselves. They assume they're doing something wrong, or that ambient music simply doesn't work for them. In reality, the issue isn't the music, it's the way the nervous system responds to sound at this stage of life. To understand ambient music, it helps to forget the word music for a moment. Ambient sound is not meant to entertain you. It isn't something the brain should follow, analyze, or react to. It's closer to the feeling of sitting in a quiet room with soft light coming through the window. It's present, but it doesn't ask anything from you. When sound enters the ears, it doesn't go through logic first. It goes straight to the nervous system. That system controls stress, relaxation, breathing, muscle tension, and sleep. As we age, this system becomes more sensitive. Sounds that once felt neutral can now feel distracting or even tiring. This is important because the nervous system doesn't ask, is this music relaxing? It asks, is this predictable? Is this safe? Do I need to stay alert? If the answer feels uncertain, the body stays awake even if the sound is soft. This is where many seniors unknowingly work against themselves. When relaxation doesn't happen right away, they turn the volume up slightly, or they leave the music playing for hours, or they choose tracks that slowly change, layer sounds, or introduce subtle rhythms. To a younger nervous system, that might still feel calming. To an aging one, it can feel like something that needs to be monitored. Imagine trying to rest while someone gently taps a table in the same room. It's not loud, it's not aggressive, but it never stops. Over time, the body stays alert, waiting for the next tap. That's what constant ambient sound can feel like. There was a caregiver I worked with who kept ambient music playing all day for her father. She hoped it would create a peaceful environment. Instead, he became more restless and irritable. When they shortened the music to brief periods and allowed more quiet in between, his body softened, his sleep improved. Not because the music was stronger, but because the nervous system finally had space to reset. Research supports this. Studies show that calm, steady sound can lower stress hormones and support relaxation, but only when the sound is simple and predictable. The brain relaxes most when it doesn't have to listen closely. This is also why silence can be deeply healing for seniors. Silence is not emptiness. It's a signal that nothing needs attention. Ambient music works best when it supports silence, not when it replaces it. Here's the shift that changes everything. Ambient music doesn't relax the body by itself. It tells the nervous system that it's safe enough to relax. When that message is clear, the body does what it's designed to do. Breathing slows, muscles release, stress hormones settle, sleep deepens. When the message is constant or unclear, the body stays alert, even in quiet sound. This is why many ambient music helps some seniors and does nothing for others. It's not about preference, it's about how the nervous system receives that signal. If you want ambient music to support your health, think of it as a gentle companion, not a constant presence. Short periods work better than long ones. Lower volume works better than louder sound. Familiar, simple tracks work better than variety. Allow quiet before and after the music. Let the body feel the contrast. Over time, this teaches the nervous system that rest is safe. If something feels irritating, distracting, or tiring, trust that signal. Calm should feel like a soft exhale, not something you have to concentrate on. Ambient music can support calm, stress reduction, and better sleep for seniors when it's used gently and intentionally. It works by signaling safety to the nervous system, not by forcing relaxation. Less sound, used wisely, often does more than constant background noise. If this conversation resonates with you, our Better Sleep Health Plan was created for seniors and caregivers who want natural, non-overwhelming ways to support rest and emotional balance. You'll find it linked below. And on your screen right now, we're sharing a video that explores how everyday foods quietly influence stress hormones and emotional balance in seniors, something most people overlook. Before you go, tell me in the comments, have you tried ambient music before, and how did your body respond to it? If you found this helpful, subscribe for more calm, practical health education for seniors and caregivers.